Wait.
Go.
I'm not even doing it.
Go.
This really hurts, you guys. Oh my god. How come I'm the only one in here? Oh my god. What is up with this? Ew. Oh my god. Take my shoes. And my feet. Oh my god. Don't do that. Don't do that.
It's raining.
I can't stand up. I can't get up. Is there like any sturdy place to stand over here? Ow! Ow! Oh my god. Someone help me get up. Ew! Oh my god! Look at this! I can't walk up. My feet are slipping. Okay, I'm just gonna walk over here.
Looks so pretty in the light.
Someone help me! My feet are stuck.
Oh my god. Okay.
Ren, will you help me? My feet. They really.
A snapping turtle. See, look. It's a
Someone help
snapping
me.
Ah. Okay. Hold this.
This mud is really thick. I suggest
You
not.
pull me in, I will kill you.
I suggest not standing over here. Whoa! Okay. Oh jeez. Oh my god! I got mud all over this.
No!
I'm sorry. We're gonna have to wash it. Here you go.
No!
Here, I'll put it right there.
No, you carry it home.
I will. Ah!
Smells like turtle crap.
I need to rinse my feet off.
Just don't slip again.
Genevieve butt.
I'm sure everybody wants to see that. There's stuff in between my toes. Ew.
You got fat, Willow.
Mm-hmm. Wait, she wasn't out.
Here, bucket.
Jeez, I'm stuck.
Bucket.
I said that earlier. Ew, I got so much mud on me.
Ow.
I almost stepped on her again.
I don't think that's Willow, actually. I don't remember or recall her being an alligator snapping turtle.
She is one.
Willow? Willow.
She's not going to answer to her name.
Oh, look at this pretty rock.
We don't even know if she's a she.
The bucket. Ew.
It's actually-
Look at this pee in it.
It probably is.
Ew.
Just stop. Woo.
Did you just fall?
Ow.
Smells like turtle.
Willow!
It's Willow. Our
The Willow returns! And it really, really stinks. Stop. She
Willow
stinks.
turd?
Okay, I'm shutting this off now.